In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process you must follow in order to get your restricted business manager or ad account reinstated. As you can see, it says this ad account is ads and some of its advertising assets are disabled. So you may see something like this, or you may also see something like this and all that. The thing that you need to know is the account is restricted. You cannot run an advert. Even if your advert was running, it will be stopped automatically. You cannot put it on and all that. So how do you solve it? First of all, you log into your Facebook profile. When you log into your Facebook profile, let me just show you an example. So you log into your profile like what you're seeing here. Then you go to the left-hand side, you see the ad manager. So you open the ad manager. And currently, this is the ad manager. If your account is restricted and you open to the ad manager, this is what you're going to see. So from here, when you click on see details, it will take you to the Facebook Business Support Home. So Business Support Home, you will see they will just let you know that there are two, maybe whatever outstanding cases that you have. This one, I have two outstanding cases related to restrictions that are unresolved. So as you can see, this is the business manager. They are saying it's a business portfolio restriction. Then when you go down, you will see ad account. Now, what happens is that if your business manager is restricted, any advertising account under that business manager by default will also be automatically restricted. That is why, though a business manager may be restricted, but the ad account may not have a violation. But because the ad account is under the business manager, it will also be restricted by default. So when I click on view account, it will bring me to this particular place. So this is the Facebook account, the Facebook profile. These are business manager. This is one business manager. This is another. This is the business manager that has a problem. So when I click on it, it will open to this particular place. And then I can see the extent of the restrictions. They are saying we notice some unusual activity on this business portfolio and have restricted its access to advertising. Any ads connected to this portfolio are currently disabled and all that. So if you want to know exactly what probably you might have violated, when you click on the blue link here, which is the link relating to the policy that is violated, it will take you to the details of the policy. So they are saying that if I take time to read this particular policy, they are telling me everything that probably have been violated. But most of the time, it will just be a mistake. You might not even have have violated any policy, but by mistake, the system will just disable your account. And in most of the cases, you have to appeal. And how do you appeal? When you see here, it says continue request. So when I click on continue request, I'm supposed to fill a form and follow certain processes to get the account reinstated. So I will click on continue request, but I will tell you before you continue the request, this is what you have to do. You have to make sure that your first and last name is just exactly the name that is on your ID card. And when I say your ID card, I mean your profile, your national ID. It could be your national ID, it could be your voter ID, it could be your passport, it could be your driving license. You must make sure that the name on it, the first and last name, is tallying with the name on your Facebook account. So if it is not tallying, you make the change. So you click on your profile picture at the top right-hand corner, go to settings and privacy. From there, you go to settings. From there, you go to personal details. From the personal details, you will see the profile. So you see your name. So you look at the first name and the last name. Then you also check the personal details. And the personal details, you check your birth date. Check whether the birth date, the first and last name, and the month, the year. Check whether everything under the birth date. Check whether the month, the year, and the what do we call it? The day of the month and the year, whether it is tallying with your date of birth on your ID card. Make sure you check and confirm that this is the correct information and it is showing on your ID card and is the same. If it is not matching, you will have a problem. If it is matching, you're okay. Also check your gender. So you come here and then go to your profile picture. On the left, scroll down and go to your about section. Go to your contact and basic info. Check the gender. Make sure the gender is also matching. If that is done, then you come back and click on continue request. Then they will ask you to put your email address. Then they will send a code to your email. Fine. So I earlier on put the email, so I'm just resending it. So I think they have sent a code to the email. So after you put a code, then you click on next. Then you would then be asked to upload your image, your ID card. So, okay. So when you put the ID, make sure that it fits into the screen or the space. It should be a rectangle. Yes, and fits in properly. Then after that, you click continue. Then it will, like, they will say something like what you're saying. You hear back from us within 48 hours. Thanks for requesting a review and all that. Now, when you close it, then you refresh. Yeah, you see review requested. An admin for this business portfolio requested a review to determine if the account was correctly restricted from advertising. We are reviewing your account and will notify you here within 48 hours. So by 48 hours time, when we come back to the business support home, definitely the account is going to be reinstated because the account didn't violate a policy. I'm sure it's just by mistake. So if you follow this process, you are supposed to get your account reinstated. If you follow it and you are not able to get it successfully resolved, follow the WhatsApp link or the Telegram link in the description to WhatsApp us, or to send us either to WhatsApp us or to send us a message on Telegram, and we will get back to you and be able to solve the issue for you. We have done this for several people and we will do it for you too. We charge very affordable prices and possibly you'll be able to afford and we can solve your problem. Thank you once again. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell and like this video. Bye-bye and see you in the next video.